Hey YouTube, this is T-Small06. I'm just doing a basic, picture or review of my loadout. So I'm going to start with my first weapon. My primary weapon is a Crossman, I think. No, that's it. No, it's a Recruit Crossman model 525. It's a 177 caliber, 4.5 millimeter BB, and you can put and again 4.5 millimeter. It's good. I can see good without the gun. Well, I can see good right now on my sister's poster, Bella. You can see her face real good. Pow, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's my primary, and this is actually, it's not a blowback weapon. It's actually just a simple, simple 15 clip. Yeah. Simple. This is a 22 caliber Airsoft. It's not semi-automatic. It's actually just manual. You just the backfire, got the backfire, basic stuff. So I'm gonna go to my helmet. I have a regular. I need to go actually shopping for some gear. I got basic helmet. I use this in Airsoft war sometimes. Have my glasses. They're plastic. They're actually really good because Airsoft guns are really good. We're getting kind of hot. Actually getting kind of hot with this, so I'm going to take this off. Sorry about the loud things, but yeah, so I'm going to go to my shirt. This is some sort of camo. I can't remember what kind of camo it is. It's like a dark camo, like Black Ops or something like that. So it's like like 2007, 2008 camos in the U.S. And so I'm going to my pants, basic, just military, basic U.S. military pants. I'm just going to go to my boots. My boots are Tosca. I'd say they're a type of Russian boot, but they're really comfortable. Actually, they have like some sort of like a bear or fox fur inside of it. It's really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be doing a video either this Saturday or next Saturday on my Airsoft war. So that's it. See you guys later. Peace out. Subscribe. Comment. Have any questions? Just video response, stuff like that. See you later.